In this video, we're going to be evaluating functions. For function notation, they say the notation y is equal to f of x means that y is a function of x and is read as y equals f of x. Evaluating a function for a given input, the notation f of a represents the value of y when x is equal to a. So in 1 it says given f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. They want us to evaluate each of the following. In A, we have f of 7. So we're going to plug 7 in everywhere where there's an x. So we're going to have f of 7 is equal to 2 times 7 squared minus 4 times 7 plus 1. And this is equal to 2 times 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 49 is 98 minus 28 plus 1, and 98 minus 28 is 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. So f of 7 is equal to 71. In B, we have f of 2x. So we're going to plug 2x in everywhere where there's an x. So we have 2 times 2x squared minus 4 times 2x plus 1. And this is equal to 2 times 2x squared is 4x squared minus 4 times 2x is 8x plus 1. And now 2 times 4x squared is 8x squared minus 8x plus 1. So you can see that when we evaluate a function at a given value, we output a single value, and that when we input something that has a variable in it, that we end up with another function. In 2, it says, given f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1, solve for each equation for x. And if you notice, our function in 2 is the same as it was in 1. So we're working with the same function, but now they're asking different questions. In A, they're asking, when is f of x equal to 7? So we're going to say that 7 is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. And now we have a quadratic, so we're going to move everything to one side of the equation. So we're going to subtract 7 from both sides, and I get 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 4x, and 1 minus 7 is negative 6. And now I'm going to factor a 2 out, so I have 0 is equal to 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 3. And now I'm going to factor inside the parentheses. So I'm going to say 0 is equal to 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. And now we can see that x is equal to 3 or negative 1. In B, we have f of 2x is equal to 17. And above, we calculated f of 2x, and it was 8x squared minus 8x plus 1. And now we're going to set that equal to 17. And again, we have a quadratic, so I'm going to move all my terms to one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 17 from both sides, and I get 8x squared minus 8x. And then I have 1 minus 17 is negative 16 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to factor out an 8. So I have 8 times x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. And now we're going to factor inside the parentheses. So we have 8 times x minus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or negative 1. In 3, we have given f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. We want to find the following. And in A, we want to find f of x minus 1. So this is going to be equal to 2 times x minus 1 squared minus 4 times x minus 1 plus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply x minus 1 times x minus 1, or expand x minus 1 squared. So I have 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. And now I can distribute my negative 4 through the parentheses. So I have negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. And then we have plus 1. In the next step, I'm going to distribute my 2 through the parentheses. So I have 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus 4x, and we have 4 plus 1 is 5. And we can rewrite this one more time. We have some like terms we can combine. So we have 2x squared, and we have negative 4x minus 4x is negative 8x. And then we have 2 plus 5 is 7. So f of x minus 1 is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 7. In B, we have f of x plus h. We're going to put x plus h into our equation everywhere that we have an x. So we're going to have 2 times x plus h squared minus 4 times x plus h plus 1. And I'm going to expand my x plus h squared. So I have 2 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And now I'm going to distribute my negative 4 through the set of parentheses. So I have negative 4x minus 4h and plus 1. And now I'm going to distribute the 2 through the parentheses on this step. So I have 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 4x minus 4h plus 1. And now I don't have any remaining like terms, so this is as far as I can take this problem. And that's all for our video on evaluating functions.